Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Zulay. And pretty much what this is some organic Japanese matcha, as you can see right here. So this is the culinary grade, not the ceremonial one. This kind is the culinary grade, which is perfect for like making smoothie, for baking, cooking, and drinking teas as well. You most likely just won't get that same kind of bitterness and strong matcha flavor as the ceremonial grade ones. Basically on the bottom it tells you guys what you guys can use it for. So green tea, latte, baking, smoothie, and different kind of baking or cooking recipes. So the one that I have right here is a 3.5 ounce that you guys can get on the actual website itself, or you guys can buy from Amazon. So for the 3.5 ounce, you guys get roughly around like 50 teaspoons according to what they say right here, if you can see. And they return on the back side and see that it talks about like the history of how they got their matcha and how they started and everything. And if you guys want to, you guys can scan this little barcode in back to kind of like get some recipes for what you guys can use the matcha for. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out whether or not it's worth it and how well it tastes and everything is to actually go test it out. So let's actually go test it out first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the matcha that's by Zulay Kitchen. So we use this to make some blueberry matcha muffins. Alright, so we're going to add roughly around like a tablespoon, a little bit more onto the muffin batch right here. Alright, so that's a little bit over 1 tablespoon. We're going to add a little bit more, like maybe halfway. Alright, so that much. And so we're going to mix it all up and then see what it looks like. Alright, so let's mix it up. Alright, so that looks good. Let's add in the blueberries now. So that's the blueberries. Let's mix it up. So this is what it looks like when you guys finish adding all the ingredients for the blueberry matcha muffins. So this is what the final product looks like once we finish it up. You can see that it's super green and everything. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that it actually does work and actually works quite well. The taste is pretty good. But some tips that you guys probably want to know about the product on how to store and everything is to actually put this in the refrigerator once you guys open the package yourself. Otherwise, it won't be as fresh. So once you guys open the actual matcha itself, you guys definitely want to make sure you guys put it into an airtight sealed container so it can keep the freshness. And once you guys put it into that container, you guys most likely want to put it into your refrigerator or your freezer to keep the freshness of the actual matcha even longer and preserve it even longer. So usually once you guys put it into the refrigerator, it should last you guys for around like 2 months of the freshness still being in the actual container itself. But after 2 months, the freshness won't be at the same anymore. It's not saying that it's bad or anything. It just won't be as fresh as like the first time you open it and before the 2-month period. So now that we did the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So if you guys don't want too much of a bitterness taste or too much of a matcha taste, then definitely go for this product, and it's definitely really worth it in those cases. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have